Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm very elated to share with you topics related to website design, digital marketing, how to grow your business as an SME, and also how to find a job, a decent job as a website designer. So if you wish to find a job, all you have to go is go on Google and search on Adecco. So there are several jobs listings on Adecco, so you may be lucky to find a job as a digital marketer or website designer on Adecco. You also have LinkedIn, you have Indeed, you have Monsterboard, and so many other fun such platforms, to find a job. So I'm going to speak a little bit Dutch now. Do forgive me if you're watching this video and you do not speak Dutch or you do not understand Dutch. So Dutch language is a language spoken by persons living in the Netherlands. Hoi, goedemorgen, bedankt voor het kijken. Vandaag ga ik met jullie delen hoe jullie kunnen geld verdienen als een website designer en ook hoe jullie kunnen een mooie baan vinden. Dus er zijn heel veel mooie platforms waar jullie kunnen solliciteren. Je hebt Adecco, je hebt LinkedIn, je hebt Indeed. Dus als je wil graag geld verdienen als een website designer, niet alleen website designer, stel je wilt graag werken in een restaurant manager of hotel managers. Dus je hebt LinkedIn, Indeed, je hebt ook Monsterboards, of je kunt bij jobcenter, uitzendbureau solliciteren zoals Adecco. In Nederland heeft u Randstad, Adecco, Tempo Theme, je hebt ook Young Capital. Dus deze zijn mooi uitzendbureau waar jullie kunnen mooi baan kunnen vinden. Now I'm going to catch persons living in the United Kingdom. So if you're a student and probably want to do your masters in Scotland, you can find a job on Gumtree. So let's assume you have just finished your university studies at University of Ibadan or at UNILAG, University of Lagos, Nigeria, and you wish to relocate to Scotland, to Dundee or to Edinburgh. So you have great universities in Scotland in cities such as Dundee. You also have Edinburgh, University of Edinburgh, University of Dundee, Scotland. You can actually find a job on Gumtree. So you have CV Library, you have Gumtree. So these are great platforms. You may be able to find a job. So how do you, and yourself, how do you create? I was a mentor for a year, so I mentored students on how to find a job, where to find good food, clothing, some more. So how do you, find a job? How do you need to have a CV. It's very obvious, right? So most students, probably if you're in your year 1, second year, you didn't have a CV. I do strongly advise you have a CV. So you can find examples of good CV on slideshare.com, or you can find it on Google. You just have to search good examples of CV on Google. You'll be able to find CV. Then you can use Microsoft Word to to properly create a decent CV. You may decide to build a website like me. My CV is on blackrunner.me/CV. I also have my CV on ekenepatience.com/CV. So on my website ekenepatience.com/universities, I enlisted some top-notch universities where you can study. So you have Oxford University, Cambridge University, you have University of Dundee enlisted there, University of Edinburgh, Hogeschool Zeeland, that's a university in Zeeland, in Vlissingen to be precise, in the Netherlands. I also added Vrije University Amsterdam in the city Amsterdam, the Netherlands. I also added University Hogeschool Rotterdam. You also have several other universities in Rotterdam, such as Erasmus University. Erasmus University is pretty famous. So it is very important to study, and if you do study properly, you'll be able to graduate, and if you do graduate, you'll be able to land yourself a good job. So most persons that have studied business administration, so for example, most persons that have studied business administration in UNILAG, University of Lagos, or University of Ibadan, or Madonna University in Okija, so most persons that have studied business administration always aim to work in top-notch banks in Nigeria. So Nigeria has very beautiful. So if you are living in Nigeria, you may want to work for great banks such as FCMB Bank, Zenith Bank, UBA Bank. You have Eco Bank. Okay, there are several beautiful banks in Nigeria. So most persons that have studied always aim to work at banks. So this video is all about earning money as a website designer, how to find a good job, not only as a website designer but as a student, entrepreneur, or an SME, how to improve and earn some money. Okay, so you all know that I'm a website designer. I do website design. I do several things in order to earn some income. 1, website design. 2, I offer basic English language and Dutch lessons. 3, I do shout out for companies, for example Science Hair Rotterdam. You guys, if you have been watching my videos, must have seen me do several shout outs for Science Hair Rotterdam. So Science Hair Rotterdam is a beauty salon that makes hair for male and female. So if you wish to achieve beautiful hair, you can visit Science Hair Rotterdam at the Rotterdam Plaza, not far away from the Marriott Hotel. So this is one of my lovely outfit, guys. I hope you like it. If you're enjoying this video so far, do give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and share. If you wish for me to do shout out for your brand, you can contact me. Already I have published several cool brands on my website blacknut.me. I'm promoting Wakana in Lagos. Wakana is the flight ticketing agency. If you wish to buy good rates of flight tickets, if you're living in Lagos, Amsterdam, New York, just contact wakanow.com. You can find them on WhatsApp, you can chat them up and they'll be able to provide you good rates. So I'm promoting Air Maroc, Royal Air Maroc on the top page of blacknut.me. I'm promoting Apple, I'm promoting Gucci, Fendi, YSL, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Giorgio Armani. I'm also promoting YSL. Guys, I had so much fun creating this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Do check out other videos below, the links below this video. Check out my channel. If you do wish to be my friend, do contact me via WhatsApp. Blacknut.me, you'll find my WhatsApp contact. If you wish to have your brand listed on blacknut.org, I have ordered several hotels on blacknut.me, such as the Prescans Hotel in Lagos, Nigeria. I've added one hotel in Lagos, one hotel in Abuja. I've added some cool hotels in the Netherlands, such as Fletcher Hotel, Van de Balk Hotel. I've added Asena Hotel in Delft. I've also added Nairo's Hotel in Asaba. So if you wish to have your hotels enlisted on my new website blacknut.org, do contact me. So I've recently added aero contractors on blacknut.me. So I'm waiting for the Fiverr gig approval. So what I usually do, I think, to enlist brands. So a few months ago I enlisted Halliburton. So Halliburton is an American company. So ExxonMobil is also an American company. So I've enlisted ExxonMobil on blacknut.me, Halliburton, Shell, and NPC. So what I tend to do, I usually publish only the names on the top page and offer like 2 weeks up to sometimes 3 months for them to approve it. So after 3 months, I usually offer an ultimatum of 3 months. After 3 months, no answer is a yes, right? So afterwards I then publish the name and of course the website link of these brands. And most brands I have published so far are very happy with my gigs. So if you wish to buy flight tickets, you can buy with wakanow.com. You can buy with Solid Global. Search the keyword website designer Amsterdam. If you live in Rotterdam, search the keyword website designer Rotterdam. So by doing so, you'll be able to find website design firms and you may send your CV. So here I found Reason Web Development is in Den Haag. I found Brandly. I found Media Birds. I found Ricky Web Design. So on my website ekinepatience.com/website design, I'm promoting some cool website designers there. So I found web freelancer, I found the web developer, I found Viralistic Digital Agency, I found the Yellow Media, I found Flatline Agency, I found Own Identity Web Design Amsterdam. I also found Strela WordPress website and SEO Amsterdam. I found Own Identity Web Design Amsterdam, 8 Sites Design Web Design Bureau Amsterdam. I found Design Lab, Unique Code, Anzo Studio, Pursuit, Web Game, Courts, Web Bureau Amsterdam, Lama. So it's funny. Net said Alterio, Blink Amsterdam, Tweak the Web, Beaker, Heart, Nest Gear, Lemon Green, Bizarre, Creative Corner Studio. I found Alden Web Design, I found Moi Site.nl, I found the Web Design, I found Starter 201, I found Ngrain, I found TWX. Okay, so there are several web designers in Amsterdam. I found, so Amsterdam is a city in the Netherlands. So Amsterdam is very famous in the Netherlands. You have Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Breda. These are very popular cities. So I'm going to go to Antwerpen. Antwerpen is a city in Belgium. So out of curiosity, I want to know if there are website designers in Antwerpen. So if there are website designers and you have genuine interest to work, with companies that designs websites, you can apply by sending them an email. So I'm just going to go on Google and search website design firms Antwerpen. So I'm just curious. I hope something comes up. Yeah. So I found some interesting. I found Flust Web Design Antwerpen. I found ICOM Web Design. I found ICOM. So there's so many websites. Star X. I found Web Lab Studio. I found Premise, Hey in Antwerpen. I have Open Up Media in Antwerp, Fixed Well. I found Hybrid. I found Neo Media. So if you're looking for a job as a web designer, all you have to do is send your CV and say, hello, my name is a person, I'm looking for a job. If you wish to work with me, do contact me, and the chances is very high that they are going to contact you. I mean, if you are able to convince them that, this one is called Monkey Shots to BA. They work with several brands such as Goodyear, Universiteit Antwerpen. They work with so many brands. Okay, so I've just coached you guys how to find a job as a web designer. You can go directly by using the keywords. So if you're looking for a job as a web designer, or if you're looking for a job as a carer, that's if you have some experience as a home carer, you can use the same technique. You can go on Google and search home care jobs Amsterdam, home care jobs London. So home care companies, you can just go and search for home care companies. So once you have found the home care, let's assume you found home care company in Edinburgh, you found 50. All you have to do is go to the contact page, contact with your email address, send them an email and say, this is an open solicitation. If you have a job opening, do contact me. The same applies to web design. So if you are, so now I'm going to speak Dutch for my Dutch viewers. I'm going to summarize what I've just told you guys in Dutch language. Hoi, bedankt voor het kijken. Vandaag heb ik met jullie gedeeld hoe jullie kunnen werk vinden als website designer. Dus je kunt gewoon op Google kijken op website design bedrijven. Design website bedrijven in Amsterdam, in België, in Duitsland. Je kunt gewoon op zijn website kijken en open sollicitatie versturen. Dus open sollicitatie is gewoon een cv versturen naar bedrijven en vertellen dat je interesse heeft om bij hen te komen werken. Dus zo kunt jullie gewoon solliciteren en dan maak je meer kans om een baan te vinden bij die bedrijven. Dus ik dacht, ik ga met jullie delen. Ik heb Engels gesproken. Ik hoop dat jullie het fijn vinden. Als jullie meer informatie wil of meer begeleiding betreft hoe je wat ik kan vinden als een website designer of als een carer of andere beroep als een chauffeur, maakt niet uit. Ik kan begeleiding geven. Je kunt gewoon WhatsApp berichtje doen. Je kunt met mij contact opnemen via WhatsApp, blackona.me of je kunt gewoon bellen. Ik hoop dat jullie deze filmpje mooi vinden. Graag geef het big likes, comment, share. Until next time. Bye.